Alam, may narinig ka sa likod. Double filler. Hindi ko alam. Narinig ko lang. Nakakainis.
Congratulations to all the winners.
For facts and figures, second runner-up goes to Costa Rica for God.
Tayo yung first runner-up.
Sino ang champion?
Ice car.
Ay, natituro sa kanya, meron pang hindi natin nakita ko na maganda.
May castle daw yun. Castle.
Oo, parang yun nga yung nakita ko na daan ako.
For second runner-up, we have first runner-up, sorry. We have Jamaica for Asher.
Go on! Dian!
Johnny, kayo!
Dian! Ayan!
And for the champion, we have Paraguay, second 4 years ago.
Mga lande, sina-exchande. May 100 naman tayo. Sige, sabi ko, exchande. Exchande. Hindi siya nag-itsura na.
Congratulations to all the winners. And now to present to you their national costumes. Once again, we give you the 2009 candidates for Ambassador and Ambassadress of Peace. Let's all give them a round of applause.
Teka lang. Ready? Lumayo ka, kasi microphone.
While waiting for the candidates,
We'll be announcing the winners for the infomercial. For second runner-up, we have for Benjamin. The president and the advisor, please come up on stage.
for the first runner-up, we have For God.
Oh my God! Infomercial? Ano ba? Infomercial.
President, please make it pass. And for the champion, we have for Asher.
For Benjamin, for God, and for Asher, please step forward.
Kasi abi sa lahat. Yan ba yun?
Congratulations again to all the winners. And now, I think the ambassador and ambassadress are ready with their national costumes. Again,